Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare these yummy sandwiches. These are great if you have leftover chicken, but it doesn't have to be chicken. It could also be tuna, meat, or anything. Without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients for the dough: 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt, 4 grams of yeast, 300 grams of warm milk, 50 grams of olive oil, 10 grams of baker's yeast, 500 grams of flour. Now let's get cooking. In a large bowl, add the milk, sugar, baker's yeast, four tablespoons of flour, mix it all together. If it's still very liquid, add a little bit more flour. Let it set until bubbles start forming. After waiting for a while, mix it all together. Add the salt and add the yeast. Add the rest of the flour. And mix. To mix it, you can use a spatula or whisk or your hands. Add the oil. and mix. At this point, it was kind of hard to mix, so I started using my hands, and I recommend this. Cover up the dough and let it sit until it doubles up in size. Now for the filling. Ingredients are some cheese, it can be any type of cheese you like, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, leftover chicken or meat or tuna, whatever you want. Let's get cooking. Chop the onion. Cook the onions until they have a light brown color. Add some salt and pepper. Put the onions in a large bowl. In the same pan that you cook the onions, add the pepper and cook it. Again, add the salt and pepper. In the bowl where you added the onions, add the chicken, and on top you're going to add the pepper. Mix it together. Then add the cheese. You're going to mix these with 2 forks going from bottom to the top because you don't want to smash down the cheese. Now it's time to put the dough and the fillings together. Separate the dough into 3 different pieces. So first you're going to spread it with your fingers. You're going to shape it in a square. Make the sides a little bit flatter than the middle. And of course, you're always gonna need some sauce, and this one I made by myself. So if you guys want to see this recipe, make sure to comment down below. And this sauce is made out of red pepper, and it is so easy to make. So you're going to take your sauce, and spread it only in the middle. And now add the chicken. Now you're going to fold the sides. Cut the dough. Add some eggs on top, that way when it will be cooked, it will be crispy. And if you want, you can decorate it. Preheat the oven at 160 degrees. Now cook it until it is brownish. Let them cool down. Put some olive oil on top to make it look more shiny and delicious. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really recommend you guys try out this recipe. It is super delicious and it is great for the whole family. And as you guys know, most people have lots of leftovers, so this is a nice way to recycle. Make sure to like, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe because I post videos every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, keep smiling.